The DNA discoverers, James Watson's book famously was called The Double Helix, but Crick wrote his book with a title something like What a Crazy Pursuit. It wasn't exactly that. It's actually from a poem of Shelley's, Ode to a Grecian Urn. It's taken from Ode to a Grecian Urn. But basically it has the idea of craziness and games. And Watson and Crick were always joking with each other and playing games. They had on their wall, because I had a friend who used to work with them, who also got a Nobel Prize, Sidney Brenner, and he said that on the wall of their room, which he shared with Crick, was a notice saying, "Reading rots the mind. Too much reading spoils your mind." Anyway, this is part of that ineffable thing I'm trying to get at, which is that really deep discoveries are not a matter of sitting at your desk reading lots of books and thinking as hard as you can. It's that plus playing games, sport, parties, going to the pub, all mixed together, because in moments, sudden moments, if you're going to have these huge breakthroughs of the kind that Newton, I mean, if you think of who's associated with Cambridge, you have the discoverer of the method of the scientific revolution, Francis Bacon. You have Newton. You have Darwin, who was at Cambridge. You have all the physicists we've mentioned, up to Crick and Watson. Why were they all congregated within a mile away? In a moment I'll talk about the computing tradition here, but basically it's because they didn't take academic life too seriously. Newton did, but basically you mix it up. You enjoy it. What crazy pursuit. I mean, basically it's a mad thing to spend your life trying to solve these deep questions, and you have to be something of a games player or something of an English sportsman to do it.